Amid the rise of intelligent transformation in the global manufacturing industry, Huayan Robotics is joining hands with top technology partners to accelerate development through joint innovation, collectively shaping the next era of smart manufacturing.
After rebranding from Dazu Robotics to Huayan, the company has accelerated its globalization efforts, serving over 100 countries and regions worldwide. This aligns with Bossard's philosophy as an international company pursuing a global strategy.
Bossard's team of engineers participated in Huayan Robotics' R&D during the initial product design phase, optimizing fastening solutions and assisting in the design of key robotic fastening joints. This improved overall assembly efficiency and shortened time to market. Bossard's smart factory logistics and smart assembly systems enable automatic order triggering, improving assembly efficiency and data transparency.
The R&D and manufacturing of robots require ultimate precision and efficiency. Bossard, as a century-old enterprise, can provide world-leading fastening solutions. Bossard's engineering technical team and Huayan Robotics' R&D team engaged in close cooperation from the early stages of product design, introducing professional, systematic fastening solutions. On the supply chain side, Huayan Robotics also utilizes Bossard's smart factory services, significantly boosting our production and logistics efficiency. This represents our comprehensive innovation and cooperation.
Leveraging Bossard's fastener solutions, assembly technology, and smart logistics, Huayan Robotics has achieved its goals of higher efficiency, lower cost, and faster time to market. Looking ahead, Bossard will continue partnering with Huayan Robotics to drive innovation and advance the robotics industry through with smarter, more efficient solutions.